Hey guys, this is Super Simple Fixes. You're not going to believe what I just found out. There is a built-in text-to-speech option on a web browser. Anyway, like and subscribe. We're going to get right into it. Okay, so right now we are in Microsoft Edge. You can see that this is version 100.0.1185.36, 64-bit. I have no idea what that all means, but anyway, I just want to let you know what version I'm running so you can kind of match it up and make sure that this is going to work for you as well. But if you're looking for text-to-speech, open up this Microsoft Edge, go up to the set of dots on the top right hand corner, come on down to read aloud, and you're going to listen and you're just going to see it just start working immediately.
40 best pickup lines ever. Go on, try them.
So right there, it just started reading from the top line. You can see that I have controls to pause and play. I can also come on down here and highlight and play specific sections.
Funny pickup lines. Well, here I am. What are your other two wishes?
And you can also come up to the top right, click voice options, come on down here, choose the drop down. Look at all these options that you have for the voices that you can choose from. I'm going to choose a United Kingdom voice.
Hey, my name's Microsoft. Can I crash at your place tonight? Are you French? Because I fall for you.
I love this. I don't know what else to say. But anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Save your eyes. Listen to your web browsing instead of staring at the screen all the time. That's it. Like and subscribe. Hope you have a great day.